Throughout April, Donate Life Month, the Westchester Medical Center Health Network shone a spotlight on organ donation. Commemorative flags flew over hospital campuses, reunions were held, staff donned blue and green for awareness, doctors did their part to educate, and donors and recipient patients and families were given a platform to tell their stories.
Unfortunately, my son did not make it home from school one day.
I was diagnosed with FSGS, a chronic kidney disease. I had a friend who was on the transplant list and, urged me to get on a list.
After an echo, it was determined that I was very close to full-on heart failure.
Tony Ann Cologne's son, Dylan, saved 4 lives after his organs were donated following a fatal car crash.
It's a great, great feeling, especially when you read all these the recipients' letters, knowing that there's other mothers out there that are not crying over their children dying. That right there is a great feeling. Thomas Letizia would get the kidney he needed from his wife, Francesca, who was discovered to be a match.
I'm very blessed, I'm very thankful, and, it's just so surreal. It's only been 7 weeks, but I'm just very blessed.
I couldn't wait for him to just feel better and just have life again. And what better feeling to donate to someone who you love.
Mary Murphy received a new heart at Westchester Medical Center, the only transplant center between New York City and Albany.
March 21st, I received a heart, first day of spring. And I was here 11 days after that. I really, really got up, got going, got moving, and was out. I haven't had any problems since.
While these stories have happy endings, many others do not, especially in New York, where organ donation lags far behind the national average.
Unfortunately, New York has amongst the lowest rates of organ donation in the entire country.
By signing up to become an organ donor and letting your immediate family know your wishes, you can do your part to save lives. Registering is easier than ever.
You can do it through the DMV, you can do it through the New York State Registry. It's very, very easy. The most important thing, though, is not necessarily doing that. Obviously, doing that's important. But what's most important is that you have the discussion with your family, with your loved ones, that to be sure that they know what your desires are.
You can also simply and quickly register as an organ donor online by visiting westchestermedicalcenter.com/transplant. For WMC Health News, I'm Jeff Brault.